Hello everyone, I am Nikhil, I am Men's Image Consultant. Welcome to another video from Bravo Men. Gentlemen, the definition of style have really changed a lot for most of us during this entire pandemic. Due to this ongoing pandemic situation, the lockdown was the need of an hour, and because of that, majority of the times we are home. So because of this, there have been like a drastic change in our entire style pattern. Being at home means that we are in a comfort zone, and when it comes to a comfort zone, we also tend to wear clothes which are comfortable, which are more relaxed. And because of this lifestyle, the loungewear and the athleisure have really gained popularity during this period. Best part about loungewear is they are very comfortable. They are very relaxed clothing. But what if I say, if we can combine our relaxed and a comfortable clothing, and we can add a style quotient which can definitely elevate our loungewear styling to another level. Is that going to be hard? No, it's not hard. It's very simple. So gentlemen, today's video, I'm going to share my 5 basic and easy style tips that will help you elevate your loungewear to make you look not just comfortable but also sexy at the same time. Before we get into the video, please consider subscribing to my channel, hit the bell notification icon below, and please do follow me on my Facebook page, which is Bravo Man Image Consultant, and my Instagram page is also Bravo Man Image Consultant. I always say that your support, it really helps me and the channel grow. Please consider subscribing, please consider following, and without any further ado, let's get in the video. Tip number 1, always prefer your basic t-shirts made out of cotton. Gentlemen, the best way to really be comfortable and relaxed at home is by wearing t-shirts, and we all know that we are all comfortable. But choosing a right material of your t-shirt, it is really important, because the time if you are home, your cotton is the best material because it is relaxed, it is really soft, and it is breathable. Because if we have to wear a t-shirt for an entire day, it have to be breathable. And moreover, I would always recommend basic and a solid color t-shirt. Key to a best loungewear is the simplicity with a high quality of fabric. Always prefer any t-shirts, which be it it's a v-neck or a crew neck, full length or a half sleeves, but a cotton blend t-shirts and a solid color basic t-shirts, because these t-shirts you can easily pair them on any of the bottoms. So you can choose from white to blacks to grays to any color t-shirts, but no pop colors, and moreover no logos and no printed t-shirts. Keep it simple. Basic is classic, and classic never goes out of style. So always choose a basic solid color t-shirts for your loungewear. Gentlemen, I know you will have your jerseys and a lot of other printed t-shirts. I am not asking you to throw them off. Keep it. But if you really want to be comfortable, cotton is the best material to be comfortable in. Your jerseys will make you sweat, and at the end of the day, you will start stinking. So please keep your jerseys inside. But in terms of your printed t-shirts, they become too monotonous. If you really want to get on a quick call during your work hours, always picture ready and you are game on. Like I said, gentlemen, if you really want to add that style quotient to your loungewear, stick to solid and stick to basic. You will absolutely look sexy. Tip number 2 is your joggers, that is your bottom wear. Now, the basic difference in between your joggers and your sweatpants is your joggers are thin in material, whereas your sweatpants are pretty thick enough. They are only meant for a cold or a winter season. Your jogger pants, they are a right blend in between being comfortable, relaxed, at the same time being stylish. And your jogger pants, because they are so light and they are so thin, so they are also very breathable material. And it is really important that your lowers have to be lightweight, but it also have to be comfortable, relaxed, and it have to be stretchier. Okay, and then again, if you can add a style quotient to it, so why not choose a good basic color joggers It might be a melange, it might be gray, black, navies. You can play with multiple solid colors, but this is the best choice for your lowers, for especially for your loungewear. Your jogger pants, they are super comfortable, plus they are super versatile. You know, your jogger pants are a right blend in between an active wear and a loungewear. You cannot go wrong with the comfort, with the relaxed fit. Plus you also get your slim fit pants, you know, which are tapered at the bottom, and that absolutely adds a style quotient to your loungewear. Gentlemen, the other thing which I really want to highlight is your track pants. Now your track pant comes with a synthetic material. Please avoid wearing synthetic material, and during especially the summer times, you will tend to sweat a lot. If you have a tendency of over sweating, you might get infection. So please avoid the synthetic material, because that is not breathable. It is comfortable and stretchier, but then it is only meant for your sports activity and not for lounging at your home. So always choose a good cotton blend jogger pants for your loungewear. Tip number 3 are your cotton shorts. Now gentlemen, your cotton shorts are a must. You need to have at least 2 to 3 pair of cotton shorts in your closet, because number 1, they are super versatile, number 2, they are super comfortable, and number 3, they are so light. So it is super easy to pair your cotton pants with t-shirts, with shirts, or anything. You know, they are super versatile in nature. Especially during summers, your cotton shorts are must. I mean, they are super comfortable and super light. Cotton shorts are a wardrobe essential for each and every man. So please, I mean, invest in a good pair of cotton shorts, and moreover, in terms of the versatility, you can easily pair them with any t-shirts, with any shirts, you know, or even with any footwear, and they are easy to go. And there are times wherein you don't want to wear joggers, you want to feel lighter, you want to feel a more comfortable and more relaxed. Your cotton shorts are the way to go ahead. So gentlemen, invest in good pair of cotton shorts and choose like black, gray, navy, olives, because these colors are easy to pair. Like I said, cotton shorts, they are super sexy. I mean, I love them personally. I have like at least 5-6 pairs of cotton shorts with me. But mind the length of your cotton shorts. The length of your cotton shorts should ideally end 2 to max 2.5 inch above your knee level. Okay, that is the perfect length for your cotton shorts. So guys, rock this cotton shorts, because that is a must for your loungewear. Tip number 4 are your footwear. I will always recommend a pair of slides or your sliders. I mean, whatever we call it. It is a must in every man's closet. Gentlemen, slides are a best combination in between being comfortable and sexy at the same time. They are super comfortable, they are super light, and moreover, they even elevate your style. And especially for your loungewear, when you're home, when you're lazing around, your slides are a must. So please invest in a good pair of slides. It might be any brands. There are a lot of discounts happening at the moment. Have a look at it, but a slides is a must in every man's closet. Tip number 5. Okay, before I give my suggestion for tip number 5, I was thinking about multiple things for especially for this particular tip. I was thinking about adding few other things or few other points, but then I thought, okay, let me just club in this one particular point. And the most important thing what I was about to say is the accessories. Even if you're lounging around, if you're home, your watch is a must-have accessory, and please wear a watch, because it will not just elevate your style, but it is a must-have accessory on every man's wrist. I will always recommend everyone, every individual to wear it. And the other most important thing is the way you smell. Gentlemen, even if you're home, it is important that you smell good, because the way you smell complements the way you look, and it also complements the way you think. You don't have to use your top of the line perfumes when you're home, but at least a good cologne or a good EDT, that is a must. Even if you're home lounging around, smell good. Okay, that will also make you fresh. And the other most important thing, like I said, okay, always wear a watch. So gentlemen, these are the 5 small and easy tips that will help you elevate your loungewear by not only making you comfortable but also sexy at the same time. So I hope you like this video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs. If you love it, please do share it with your friends and family. And I really hope and I wish to see you in my next video. Till then, look great, feel fantastic, and moreover, please guys, stay home, stay safe, because if you are safe, you can keep your family safe. So this is a need of an hour. Please take care of yourself, and I see you in my next video. Ciao.